Here I have LG Key 4 2017, and let me show you how to bypass Google verification on the following device. So let me show you how to remove the factory reset protection on the LG Key 4 from 2017. As you can see, at some point of initializing setup process you have to input your email and password, and you can't go next, you can't bypass this step. So let me show you what you have to do to skip this verification. Let's just go back to the first welcome panel right here. Let's use a back arrow a couple of times. And from the welcome panel, let's choose accessibility right here. Then let's tab yes to the following node, choose vision, and let's enter the talkback right here. Let's scroll down and you need to choose text to speech output. Afterwards, from the following menu, let's choose the settings icon right here. And here you need to choose setting for Google text to speech engine, so the second option right here. Let me do it. Then let's select feedback, the last option right here. Let's scroll down and let's choose on terms of services right here. This is the link to text to the Chrome. Let's choose accept and continue, choose no thanks, and that's it. Now we can use the Google, just tap on Google icon right here, and now you can type in the random word, for example the hard reset. Let's type in hard reset and let's highlight some word, for example the random word. Choose more key and select assist. Choose no thanks, and now you can use the Google searcher one more time. So let's type in settings. This is the settings icon, let's choose it, and now you can use the settings of LG Key 4, so it's a good sign. Let's scroll down to the apps, let's tap it, choose more key in that corner and select show system. Let me do it one more. Alright, as you can see now the system is shown, so let's scroll down and you have to find and select setup wizard. So let's go to S. Right here, let's scroll down, let's find S. As I said, let's choose setup wizard right here with an Android logo. And let's choose force stop, tab OK, and that's it. This is the first thing that you have to stop, and afterwards let's go back and let's also in the following menu, sorry, let's not go back this time, let's just choose storage right here and let's select clear cache, and afterwards let's go back to find Google Play services. So let's go to G and let's select Google Play services right here. Let's choose it, and here you need to choose force stop at first, tab OK, and let's choose disable, tab yes. So that's it. Then you need to restart the device, so let's just press power key right here, press power, choose power off and restart right here, tab restart, wait a few seconds until the welcome panel pops up. Excellent. Let's go next. As you can see, the device is connected to my Wi-Fi, but let's forget this Wi-Fi, so let's hold down on the Wi-Fi, choose forget network, and let's go next without any internet. So it's a good sign that we can skip the internet connection. Let's tap next again. Let me don't protect my device, choose skip anyway. Let me agree to terms and conditions. Let's go next, tap next again, and that's it. Now you can use your device. So to be sure that you erase the factory reset protection, let's choose settings, scroll down and choose general. Here you have to scroll down and select backup and reset, choose factory data reset right here, select reset phone and choose delete all, tab reset. Now the device is performing the hard reset operation. After this restoring process, you will be sure that there is no factory reset protection on your device. Excellent, the welcome panel pops up. Let's just quickly go through the initializing setup, choose skip. Let me skip connecting to a Wi-Fi, skip anyway. Tap next, next again. Let's tap next one more time. Let me don't protect my device, choose skip anyway. Let me agree to legal documents. Tap next, next again. And that's it. The home screen just pops up. As you can see, you just erased the factory reset protection. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.